Many homes in some of the suburbs of Accra do not have toilets. Some of these houses may have about 10 families living in them. The result is that people defecate outside, leaving the environment dirty with unpleasant odor. Others have to use public toilets, which are often not kept in good condition. So, it is safe to remove your clothing first before you enter. This situation makes the celebration of World Toilet Day relevant. The day is set aside by the World Toilet Organization of the United Nations to demand proper sanitation for people all over the world, a cause for which Malik Majno Herrera, an environmentalist, decided to champion. He walked from Tema to Choko. The chief of Tema, Ni Ajayi Kraku, who is also keen on keeping the city clean, blessed Joseph before he set off. His message is simple: get a toilet facility, empty your bowels with dignity, and keep your surroundings clean. He made the journey in 5 hours, 5 minutes. At the Gamanche's Palace, he declared that he was donating a Biofil toilet system worth about 2,200 Ghana cedis to the community. A Biofil toilet facility looks like a kiosk. It was invented by a Ghanaian, Mr. Kwekuano, an engineer, to support waste management in Ghana and other developing countries. Instead of the usual septic tank, it has a digester which does not need to be dislodged. The space needed is smaller. It is designed to separate the wastewater from the sludge, resulting in the breakdown of solid organic waste. It works 30 times faster than the traditional septic system. The system has no foul smell. Just a pail of water can be used to flush it. Wastewater can be used as nutrients for vegetation. Instead of throwing away feces in rubber bags, a household can get hold of a digester which will decompose the fecal matter and other waste without any foul smell. Malik Herrera said there is no need to pay for the use of the facility. One just needs to give 5 empty water sachet wrappers as payment for the use of the facility. These will be taken to Trashy Bags Company, where they will be washed, dried, and then sewn into bags. Beautiful items made from used sachets include various types of bags and waste containers. The environmentalists proposed a sanitation competition between Tema and Choko. The Gamanche, Ni Takiteria, accepted the challenge. Malik's parting words were, "Sanitation begins with you. The environment is in your hands, and we should take a cue from that." Loretta Vanderpoy, GTV News, reporting.